Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to compare and contrast the educational resources, the FIT simulation, and the CK12. So, for their similarities, these two educational resources are both free and open source. So, meaning they are kining mga free nga mga educational resources nga makatabang sa mga students without paying kay there are some apps na kailangan pa ng payment or kailangan pa magbayad para magamit nila ang isang application for their education as their educational resources. Number two is they both shares interactive learning experiences for students. And number three, these two have a strong focus to STEM subjects like science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And their differences, they, they differ on the content styles. So the CK12 is offering wide range content including mga textbooks, mga videos and interactive simulation, while sa FET simulation focuses only on the kaning interactive simulations. And also they are differ on grade level nga mga kanang ginagamit. The CK12 provides content for grades from K to 12, from kinder to grade 12, and the FIT simulation is geared towards higher education on and education and STEM fields. So these are geared kanang ginawa for kining mga higher education, like just like for example in college, which kanang ginagamit dyan nila ang FIT simulation as kining educational resources for their kining mga simulations nga ginabuhat, just like for example in physics and in science, about studying mga molecules, mga density, mass, mga ganyan. And they also differ in their activity level. So sa CK12 is more varied, lahi-lahi nagkadaiya ang iyang mga ah, kanang mga kanang ang iyang interactivity level more varied, some interactive elements and some and static mga contents, while in FIT simulation naman is highly interactive and has a real-time simulation. Kay in FIT simulation is we are the kining operators, just like for example sa physics is, like for example is magbuhat ka og kanang simple circuit. So sa simple circuit is kailangan na ay switch, di ba? Tapos na ay wires for connection, dayon na ay bulb, dayon kailangan pod naa pod sa source. So sa fit simulation is kailangan naa man ni siya sa kuan kay bali sa kining physics for example. So you are going to build, so given ang mga materials, pero kanang ikaw pagid ang mabuhat. So that is number one example of real-time simulation. And their fourth differences is the customization. So sa CK12 is allow teachers to customize mga contents and event personal learning plans. And sa fit simulation naman does not offer mga mga customizations, wala mga dili ka maka-customize og kining mga unsay gusto nimo nga madugang sa imong kuan. And lastly, they differ on the assessment tools. So this CK12 is kanang nag-provide siya og mga assessment tools, mga analytics to track students progress kung may nalalaman ba ang students. So for example nag-discuss ka sa katong kuan na kay gipang discuss, so ang CK12 is nag-provide ni siya og kanang assessments nga kung nabay nasabtan ang usa ka students or ang imong students. So sa fit simulation naman does not offer mga built-in na mga assessment. So that is how this CK12 and fit simulation differ and has a similarities. So in contrast, this kining fit simulation and CK12 are both mga educational resources nga kanang magamit nato, especially when we are kining mga teachers or kining mga students kay makatabang man is, because this kining mga educational tools or educational nga mga resources is very relevant, especially when we are teachers. Ang CK12 is magamit nato ni siya to test our students progress, to track kung asa ta dapita nagkulang or asa sila dapita naglibog. And sa fit simulation naman is gamit ni siya for kining, ang CK12 is for kining makatabang gini siya sa mga teachers, and also the fit simulation is makatabang ni siya sa teachers, sa both teachers and students, about kining how to kanang mga about kining creating mga simulations, especially sa kining in terms of science, in science, the physics, in physics, biology, makatabang ni siya in kanang creating mga simulations. So these two are kining important good for us students and teachers. Thank you everyone.